Okay, so when trying to solve for the intercepts of a polynomial, in this case it's in factored form, we want to think about what happens when you set the y value to 0 and when you set the x value to 0. When you set the y value to 0, and we try and figure out solutions for x that comply with this, we end up getting our x-intercepts. So we're trying to figure out values for x that's going to make this whole equation go to 0. Now, just by looking at this particular one, we could see that, well, if we substitute in -4, that's going to set this whole equation to 0. And if we substitute in +5, that's going to set the whole equation to 0. So that's how you get your x-intercepts in factored form. So we have an x-intercept at 5, and we have another x-intercept at -4. Now for the y-intercept, we're trying to do something a little different. We're trying to figure out when x equals 0 and what's the value of y. So if we substitute in 0, what is the output? Well, if we were to work that out, we could do 0 plus 4 times -0, which is weird, plus 5 equals our y-intercept. And that ends up working out to be, well, 4 times 5, which is 20. So the idea, in order to find your x-intercept, it's when y equals 0, and you find solutions for when y equals 0. And if you want to find your y-intercept, you set x equals 0, and, well, the solutions just show themselves.